So in my presentation in Biberach at VOLLMER, and also in my grinding courses, I talk about the concept of aggressiveness. And aggressiveness, if you know what you're doing, can be a very useful concept. It's a simplified form of grit penetration depth or chip thickness. So as we grind with this wheel, all these little diamonds are going to penetrate into the workpiece a certain depth. If you want kind of a nice round number, you might say 1 micron. So the grit digs in about 1 micron. And we can control that by changing our parameters. We can control that by changing our wheel speed, our feed rate, our depth of cut, even our wheel diameter. And so the aggressiveness is a form of the grit penetration depth or chip thickness formula where I take away all the complicated constants and just focus on what we can change on the machine. And then when you do that, you can use that to find the sweet spot of your wheel and then keep that sweet spot of your wheel. And you can change various parameters however you want, but still keep that sweet spot. And that can be very useful for increasing feed rates. It can be very useful for battling grinding burn. It can be very useful for reducing wheel wear. So my customers, attendees to my grinding courses, those who get it, they use it, they love it, and they find that they're able to make a lot of improvements in grinding by using the concept of aggressiveness.